Hey guys, it's Erica. So a couple of days ago, a subscriber messaged me on Instagram saying that they saw plants at Costco in Alhambra and they sent me pictures. And then that same day, my mom sent me pictures from the Costco in Pacoima and they were the same plants. So I'm here a couple days later with my mom because I don't have a Costco card, and I'm gonna say that the best prices I've seen for plants are at Costco, and they really have plants only sporadically, and I'm really hoping that they have some left because they had a big ZZ plant that I've been wanting and it's for a really good price. So let's go check it out. You guys, this is all they have left, but look how big these ZZs are. They are, I don't know, oh my gosh, they're only $20. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to finally get one of these. They used to have Fiddle Leaf Fig trees too. I'm gonna put some pictures up here, but they have like really good plants, but they do not last for long because these prices and these plants, like, oh my goodness. There's some succulents here. They're in the glued rocks though. Cute. I'm literally out here in the middle of the aisle trying to find the best ZZ plant because they're all kind of smushed. I think they've been here for 4 days now and they're getting broken. So I want to find the healthiest one. I'll find a good one. So it turns out that everything's just spread around, and these Fiddle Leaf Figs are only $30. Dude, look how big these leaves are. That is so crazy. These are like 5.5 feet tall, and some of them look really good. This is insane. Look at this one. This one is like 6 feet tall for $30, you guys. And my mom said there's some more ZZ plants around, so we're gonna go look for them. I already put 2 in the cart that look healthiest so that no one can take them. So these are the 2 ones that I was choosing between, and they're a little falling, but ZZ plants kind of fall over a lot, so that's okay. But we're gonna see if I can find a better one than these because they're still a little worse for wear. You guys, the other ZZ plants are looking really healthy, so I'm probably gonna choose one from here. These definitely look a lot better. They're not as crushed. Look how thick these stems are. I'm so excited. And if they're bending over, that's okay because I could just put a little, like, wrap it around with some tomato ties. I think that's what they're called, because when they get bigger, even when they're small, they start tilting like this. What's going on, little ZZs? So now I'm gonna have to choose some from here, and then it's gonna be the process of elimination from there. There's so many to choose from. I'm so excited. I thought they were gonna be all sold out. I was worried. I came here as soon as it opened. So yeah. Okay, these are the ones that I picked out. This is the one from the good pile. I'm so sorry about the beeping. And then these 2 were from the, like, stepped on pile. Mom, which one do you think is the healthiest looking?
Maybe that one?
Yeah, I think this one too. So I got my ZZ plant. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put these 2 back because they still look pretty good. I have pretty good taste, if I do say so. No, I'm just kidding. But hold on, I'm gonna wait till this beeping stops. Okay, so the reason that I'm kind of being a little crazy about this is because ZZ plants kind of are really slow growers, and for them to get this size probably took a while. It's definitely gonna take longer in my house where I'm gonna put it, because I'm gonna put it in a pretty low light situation. So I just want to start off with the biggest and fullest one, and I'm so excited! Yay! You guys, I just came by these Fiddle Leaf Figs again. If I had a spot in my house for these babies, oh my gosh, these are perfect. At a nursery, these would be so expensive. Wow. Jeez. $28.99. Okay, so they also have these tulips right now. There's a lot of bulb flowers for sale everywhere. These tulips are so pretty. Let's see how much they are. These ones are not, their flowers aren't popping out yet. They also have these little bags of bulbs, I guess. And these are $19.99 each. So that's really cool if you want to grow them from bulbs, which I kind of want to try growing plants from seed, but not flowers. I don't know about flowers. Look how pretty these heart plants are. I think they're called bleeding hearts. I don't really know though. And the tulips here are $11.99, and there's kind of a lot of them. So yeah. Okay, you guys, I got my ZZ plant some cutie juice. Just kidding, I don't drink juice. But look how beautiful it is. It has a little bit of baby ones that are broken, but that's okay. And then my mom wanted to get these tulips. So these are the purple ones, and we got the ones that aren't, you know, the flowers haven't popped out yet, because I wanna see them pop out we wanna see them pop out ourselves. So yeah, we got these 2 little plants, some croissants. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit short, but there were only 2 plants, well, and some flowers, but there was ZZ plants and Fiddle Leaf Fig. So if those are one of the plants you want and you have a Costco membership, or if you have a friend who has a Costco membership, then I highly encourage you to go as soon as possible, and hopefully your Costco has them. I know the Costco in Alhambra has them, hopefully still. Shouts out to the subscriber who let me know about it. I always appreciate when you guys let me know if you see any cool plants in your area, or if you have any cool nurseries. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!